In this video, we review new management options for the Intelligent Azure Capacity Extender in Nerdio Manager for Enterprise 5.5 with premium licensing. Nerdio Manager for Enterprise Intelligent Capacity Extender is available from the host pool properties. Intelligent Capacity Extender selects a similar sized VM for session host creation, autoscale, autogrow, and auto-heal operations when there are not sufficient resources in an Azure region to use the same VM SKU as existing VMs in a host pool. We can add alternative VM sizes manually or leverage Intelligent Capacity Extender. Intelligent Capacity Extender selects resources automatically when the default machine size is not available. New to Nerdio Manager for Enterprise 5.5 is the ability to manage restrictions for the performance characteristics of the alternative VM size. We now have the option to set the processor type, AMD, Intel, or any. We can set a percentage of allowed differences of the number of CPU cores, as well as the allowable difference in the amount of RAM. These restrictions fine-tune the size and type of the VM that Intelligent Capacity Extender is allowed to use. That is how to use manageable restrictions for Azure Capacity Extender in Nerdio Manager for Enterprise 5.5 with premium licensing.